Hey guys, it's me, Charlie's channel, and today I am going to be showing you my signs. My first one.
Not at all, girls. What do you say?
It would have been better with hot fudge.
You're very welcome. Always a pleasure.
It's not that stretchy.
From the home front, Mary Ellen Matthews married Doyce Plunk.
He was Becky's old boyfriend. We all thought she was going to marry him. I was never going to marry Doyce.
So early.
Mary Ellen sure is taking
Click
her
me.
blessings.
Just smile.
Almost as big as ours. And Doyce gets her a brand new Jacksonville.
Next one. This is the growing sign.
Really on one of those things. Okay. Well, we better get a move on before someone steals our hubcaps. Small joke, right? No, I'm serious.
Well, it's been a wonderful evening. Cousin Dick, thank you for dinner.
It's a butter slime.
Check on Nikki and Alex. Donna, good night. Good night, girls.
I'll be up soon, honey. I'm just gonna show our guests out. Bye-bye.
Here's my next one. Oh. That hurts.
As an acquaintance, I'd like you as a waiter. I'd even like you as a mechanic. But as a cousin, well,
It's really
let's just say
poppy.
we always imagine
It's a butter slime
back
again.
with someone.
The other one is not, but this one is not a butter slime.
And I'm not your waiter.
If it's in your wait, yeah, it's not in your way now.
Small joke. Well, I guess we
Wrap
know
it
where we
around
stand.
your hand.
Yes, we
Like that.
see you at the expo.
Yeah, it's a really cool butter slime.
Smart move. Entering the twins contest and quite put you in a can of rejection.
Okay, and next, I'm gonna do this one last.
Looks like somebody had their lunch really blown a little too tight, huh?
Wow,
Small joke.
this. See, these are. These remember? Wait, sorry. These are my sign.
Our family plan was
Oh God,
a little, well...
it's just Texas.
Be right back.
Sorry about that.
No, that's not for the taco.
Maybe it's time to switch to something a little more family-friendly.
Switch to Boost and get 4 lines for only $25 per line. Each with
But one of my dog to eat those. I mean my pup. It's a baby. I'll be right back.
Boost makes it easy to switch. Switching makes it easy to save.
You're crushing scary fish.
Dude, they're just jealous. Kellogg's Raisin Bran
Sorry about that.
clusters and the taste of apples and strawberries.
I'm so sorry. I just had to open the door.
Raisin Bran Crunch.
I'm not really eating it. That's a galaxy slime. That's a galaxy slime. They're all galaxy slimes. But the 3 are butter slimes and galaxy slimes. Meet me in the middle. Okay. The last one. Sorry about the glittery hands, just from the slime. This is, I made it and they turn out gold. Dang it. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe.